It's good. I thought like I wasn't gonna be able to stream for a second because it kept saying something about a graphics driver. So I got kind of worried. But everyone's doing good. Having a good night so far. All right, so got a lot to do tonight. Gonna be a good stream. Gonna be a good stream though. Snorlax is here, obviously. We are really going to try to get this game done. Okay, I think we're really on the final stretch. What's up, Derpy? Good to see you, by the way. Thank you for saying hey, Snorlax. Thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah, we're really gonna try to get this game done tonight. So I drew up some like a to-do list, kind of. Like a little like to-do list. What's up, Night Owl? Good to see you. Good to see you. Hi, Snorlax. Thank you for that. Thank you for saying hi, Snorlax. But yeah, so this is kind of the to-do list that we have next. So we need to be able to reset the state each turn. So meaning like if they do like a defense buff like kind of skill, then what should happen is it should come back down to the default state, or to the default stat. Yeah, like the default stat at the end of the turn, or at the end of like that iteration of turn, whatever. Right now we just have it where I can show you guys. We just have it where, can I show it? Combat, sort of. Right now we just have it. I want to do it for every stat just to make sure, because I feel like we're gonna have other stats too that will like increase the attack or increase magic or increase whatever. So it would just make more sense to make these a little bit more dynamic, I guess, in a way. Here comes the early stream buffer. Oh, is it buffering a little bit? Yeah. It always does it at the very beginning. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. Try to fight through it, computer. Come on now, you got it. So yeah, that's kind of what I mean by that. Clear console. Right now we're not clearing console because we were debugging a lot of stuff recently, so I've kind of just been, you know, not doing that. And then color text. So color text is something we've been wanting to add for a while now, and we have the tools to do it. We just haven't implemented it yet. So now we're going to be implementing it. And then the final thing is going to be refactoring the leveling system. That one's going to be kind of not a lot of, well, maybe fun. I don't know, probably not. But we need to refactor the leveling system to now account for the new stats, like attack, well, not attack, but the new like stats refactoring that we did that one time. It shouldn't be too hard, but it should be enough. And then yeah, by that point I think we can just kind of make it, we can just kind of clean up some stuff and then good to go. So that's kind of the game plan. I wrote this all out mainly for me, so I don't, you know, go like crazy thinking of like what to do. I'm gonna delete this to do text up here. Cool, nice. So yeah, the first thing is going to be resetting the state. I'm trying to think of how we want to do this. Like, I feel like doing a check for every single stat is kind of, you know what I mean? Like, it's kind of I don't know. Maybe we could do a for loop. No. Can you iterate over a struct? Is that possible? I feel like no, unless, well, wait, hold on. How do we store? No, it's stored as a struct, isn't it? Whenever we store a character, right? Yeah, stats. Okay. Yeah. I mean, we could just go through each stat and make sure that it's all normal again, but I don't know. I feel like, I don't know. And another thing too, I guess, would be we would need to, like, because when it comes to like magic or like stamina or whatever, I want those to kind of, what's it called? Like, kind of like, fuck, why can I not think of the word? Whatever. I'm just gonna assume you guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah, how can we do this? Because we're only doing it for defense right now. We're not checking. And I feel like if we just did I mean, there's not that many stats. It's attack, defense, magic, and resistance. But if we had like 4 if statements inside this thing, I feel like, is that really necessary? Like, is there not a better method of doing it? But I can't think of one. So we might just do that for right now. Because I really don't know what else we can do other than doing that. That wouldn't require like a lot of refactoring, I guess. So we'll just kind of do checks for all of it, I guess. My mic is like dangerously close to me right now. And it's all the same. I guess I could just copy the if statement. I don't know. We'll do get attack ATK and then get max ATK. And if true, we will set attack to get max ATK. Cool. So that'll just like bring it back down or back up after each turn. So, and I mean, there might be skills that we would need to, I don't know, like have it for like a set interval, but I can't think of too much else. Could change the stats to just an array of floats, and it can iterate the array, but just copying and pasting code isn't bad either. Yeah, I mean, we could do that. It's just that that would change a lot of what I've already coded. Like the constructors and stuff. Like, I don't know, like, you know what I mean? So I feel like it's a good idea, and I kind of thought about that for like a brief second, but I was like, I don't know, like if it's just 4 stats, because we don't have like an insanely big game, so if it's just like 4 stats, it might be okay. It might be okay. Yeah. Okay. Get defense, get magic, get max magic. We'll do set magic. I think we made one for set magic, I think, right? Yeah. Gotta make sure. And then same thing for resistance. Get resistance, get max resistance. Okay. Max resistance and set resistance. Okay, max resistance. Cool. Yeah, I mean that works. That does what we want it to do. So it's like kind of gross, but whatever. It's fine. Okay, and then the same thing here, but we'll just change it to enemy parts A. Why can I not? Oh, because I'm doing something stupid. I can use multiple cursors now because I know that that's a thing. Nice. Cool. Very cool. Very cool. Yeah, so that's pretty easy. That's a good solution for the short term, I think, honestly. I guess the only thing now is like, we might have to come back to this later, but I feel like one major thing is like, excuse me, is regenerating the resource, like stamina, magic, you know, whatever, stamina or mana, regenerating that. I don't really know the methodology of how those are formulated. Like, I don't really know. I don't know. Is there like stamina regenerating regen formula RPG? I don't know, something like that. I usually just kind of search this stuff up just to get some ideas. Just kind of see what we can find on the internet. Very widely, but often use a base rate per second modified by character stats like agility. Gotcha. So we could do something kind of like a base rate times the max stamina. So like a base rate of, yeah, 5%, I guess, times some kind of buff. Could do something like that. I don't know what kind of stat we would really go based on. I don't know, like maybe if they have like a higher like max or something like that. I don't know, because we don't really have like agility or whatever, you know what I mean? I don't know. We might just do like a base rate for right now. I don't really know what to do about that because we don't really have like a stat, like a specific stat that like dictates how fast it regenerates. Maybe, well, yeah, I mean 5% times the max like the max resource would make the most sense, I guess. So we could do the check and reset for both, I guess, huh? So we would do, well, we could maybe honestly do this in the same for loop now that I think about it. Yeah, because this will go over each, yeah, so this will be kind of like a resetting for loop, if that makes sense. So we can do like these if statements, which looks amazing. And then we can do something where it's like, we can set resource, I think honestly would make the most sense. We could do set resource, yeah, resource. We're gonna set it to a specific formula. We'll set it to like, I mean 5% times the max would make sense, I guess. So we could just do like 0.5 times, we can do player party. Or can we do this? I don't know. I'm not gonna risk it. Get max resource. Yeah, that makes sense. Makes sense to me. Do I need to enclose this and braces? I actually don't know that. Probably not, right? Probably not. Wait, would it be? No, wait, that's the region. So we set resource. Okay, yeah, no, I'm stupid. What am I? Yeah, because that would just reset, or that would just, yeah, that would be terrible if we just did what that just is. So if we do instead, we can get player party, I get resource, and then add it to that, right? That would make the most sense. So we're basically incrementing it, if that makes sense. I think that works. Yeah, player parties, get resource, get current resource, and then add it by this sort of region. Cool. I'm gonna comment that because that looks kind of like a mess. Resource region, very cool. Nice. And I'm gonna copy it here too for the enemy party. Nice. It's maybe not the best method of doing this, but it should work, I think. What the fuck? Wait, what happened over here? Get max resource. Yeah, okay. Nice. Yeah, I mean that'll work for right now. It's just a base rate. If maybe in the future, if we want to add some kind of like stat or some kind of like buff that would make it more, then we can do that. But right now this will be fine. We just need it to have something. We need some kind of cost, you know, for like a certain skill or something like that. Okay, so that's kind of really it for that, I think. So we can kind of I'm gonna get the pencil. There we go. Now let's do the clear console. Let's do that right there. So clear console, that's mostly gonna be a menu thing. We just have to call clear console, which is I think it's a game function. I mean, we can make it something else. Yeah, it's a game function. Do we have access to that in menu? We don't. Yeah, no, we definitely don't. So we can make, instead of putting the clear console function here, I think it would make more sense to put it in the menu manager class, because I mean, that's kind of where all of it is. So I'm gonna cut that really quick and then put it in the menu manager. if I can find the menu manager. Where's it at? Here it is. Cool. And then whenever we get the rest of this stuff done, we're gonna be good. Doing good work so far, my guy. Thank you, Derpy. I appreciate it. Thank you. We're getting there. We're getting there. Definitely getting there. How's y'all's night, by the way? How's y'all's night? How cold is it outside? Because today it was like low-key kind of warm. It's 60 degrees Fahrenheit where I'm at right now. Snorlax doing God's work. Amen. Amen to that. Amen to that. Snorlax is a god in of himself. Okay. Clear console. Yeah, so now we need to... I think we can just copy the game, or the shit that we have in game. We need to. Oh shit, but it looks like we call it here too though, but I guess we could just get it from the menu manager because that's accessible. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do that. Yeah, because menu manager is obviously included there, so we can just kind of call that one. About 44 degrees with a wind chill at 39. Nice, nice. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Yeah, it's like warm as fuck here today. It's like 60 degrees here, and I'm like, damn. This is like spring weather right now. It was nice and cloudy today too. My favorite kind of weather. Pop and pop versus on another rhythm. Sure. Cool. And then I'm gonna go back here as well and find where we use clear console. And I think I could just do... I don't want to do that. Game data, right? Can we do game data? Because game data is gonna have... Wait, does game data hold the menu manager or no? No. It is cold for me in Europe. Don't know what the temp is though. Been rainy last few days, enjoying it. Yeah, I love rainy weather, bro. Love it. It didn't rain here, but whatever. I mean, it was still overcast, so I fuck with it. I fucks with it. I fucks with it. Okay, how are we gonna have access to that on game though? I guess we could just... I don't know. We really should make a menu for this instead. That would make the most sense, and then just pop it. Yeah, so there's a good chance this actually won't even fucking exist. I just realized, by the way, we're doing all of this inside of the wrong branch. I might actually do a pull request because I feel like the menu the menu system is kind of done for the most part. So I'm just gonna add whatever we have so far and just Snorlax, added state, resetting, combat, something like that. Okay, get pushed origin, feature, menu system. Did I spell feature wrong? I can never tell. Nice. Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to open up a PR really quick. Kind of get that out of the way. So, just really quick. And then we can do the rest. No conflicts, let's go. Nice. Nice. Delete that branch, thank you. Feature is correct, thank you, Derpy. I can never spell, I feel like I'm dyslexic at times. Okay. Damn, bro. 700 new lines of code. That's fucking insane. That's what that branch just was. Right, nice, 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 nice. Cups in a rose, bitches in my old phone. Git, check out main. Okay, and I think I need to... Nah, fuck it, I don't care. Yeah, fuck it. Cool. So that's kind of handled now. What's going on here? I'll cut these off, I guess. Okay. Very cool, very cool. Wait, where the fuck is... Wait, what happened to our... What? Wait, what just... What the fuck? Wait. I think I need a pull. Yeah, that's what... I'm stupid. Damn it. What do you need? How do we do this again? I don't know, I always forget. I'm not a Git pro. I need to get good though. Sorry, that was such a stupid joke. GitHub. What is it again? What is this shit? Please move or remove before you merge. Tree files. Shut the fuck up. How do you like reset it? It's like reset hard or some shit, right? What's the thing? You still think about the times we had. Say about that. You think you found. Okay, so what do I need to run? Git. I need to add game.h. No, I don't want to do that shit. I want to add game.h. When did we do changes on game.h? I'm confuzzled about that. I don't even know what the fuck that means. What if I just remove the file? Nice. 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 Okay, cool. All right, so now let's do git checkout. Make a new one. What are we working on now? Clear console? Feature clear console? So it's just like a... We're just gonna have all the menus clear console. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, let's go back here and fucking tackle this. So, did we already remove that? Okay, cool. Cool beans. So how exactly do we want to clear the console? Let's kind of run the game really quick and see kind of like how we would want to run the console. Because I feel like it's... What's up, Apple? Good to see you. Or sorry, you didn't say what's up to me. You said what's up, Snorlax. Snorlax says hello. Thank you. Good to see you, Apple, by the way. Good to see you. Hope you're doing good tonight. Making a lot of progress. Well, okay. What the fuck happened here? Wait, why are we running the errors? Hold on, let me just fucking... Let me clean this really quick. And for some reason, my makefile is not able to clean, so I have to do this the bare bones way. So it is what it is. We'll be in some trouble. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing good tonight. I hope it's not too cold where you're at. It's not cold here in Texas. It's fucking 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Like, bro, what? 60 degrees Fahrenheit mid-December is crazy. Okay, now let's try that. No role to make menu. What? What you talking about? What you talking about? Menu right here. What do you mean? There's menu right there. What? I mean, there's no role to make menu. Oh, no, I'm actually so dumb. It's because I meant to... Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm slightly slow. It's okay, guys. Let's try that. Just warnings, just warnings. No worries, no worries. Okay. So, looks like we actually are having issues. Or wait, where is that actually? Wait, is it in process turn? What are you talking about? Set magic? What does not undefined reference to set magic? Is it not called set magic? Do we not have a set magic? Set is magic? We have a set is magic, but we don't have a fucking... Oh, you know what else? I think... Yeah, we don't have set magic or set resistance. Okay, so I'm just dumb, I guess. I don't know. Alright, well, that's an easy fix. Oh, we declared it, but we didn't fucking implement it. Nice. I think your makefile uses delete, which I think is the old command, but you're running makefile from PowerShell. So you're wrong. We could try that. You might mean set resource. Well, no, I mean, it is supposed to be set resistance, but I didn't implement the function for it, so. Good on me, good on me. Easy fix though, easy fix. Excuse me, easy fix. Stats magic equals M. Nice, and then we'll do same shit. Set resistance, float R, stats, resistance, R. Very nice, very nice. Now we should be good. Nice, it made it, cool. That's what I'm talking about. Let's just retract it. Oh, did you delete it? Okay, yeah, so let's run, jeez, can I speak? Let's actually run it now and see kind of what we want to do. So we do want to clear console probably after every one of those. So, but we need to probably refactor that. Well, so we do a clear console probably before every menu, right? The only thing is that some options won't need a clear console. Like some options won't require that, or we don't need to do that. Like for instance, we don't want a clear console for this because this pops this up, like the player stat or the party stats, but then it also pops up the menu as well. So we need to make sure that when we do print battle info, but when we do fight, we can do clear console. Yeah. So I think that's kind of what we would do. I'm gonna keep this kind of running while we make these changes. Right. So if we do this, we're gonna want to run your console, I think. Oh shit! I'm gonna copy that just because I know we're about to use it a lot. Or I'll copy it more like this. And I think that would do well for that. And then the only thing is, how do we want to take care of that? Maybe what we do is for this, we do clear console, but so we do clear console here, but we also do clear console here. What's up, IDK? Thank you for saying hi to Snorlax. Thank you. Appreciate that. We got Snorlax here, of course, on the throne. That is my empty PC tower, so that's nice. Yeah, so clear console, it would print the info, and then it would bring up the menu again. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, I think that works. Print party stats. Same shit though, right? Yeah. So we probably need to do clear console, print party info. Yeah. And we can keep that one line, it's fine. Then when it comes to combat, when it comes to fight, yeah, so we have clear console there. Yeah, because then print turn, create fight menu. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Now, for the select skill menu, I recommend making clear in the console a property of the menu that gets checked when your menu manager switches menus. When it switches menus. Well, the only thing is that technically when we do this, it's kind of switching menus. Like The thing is that there's sometimes I would want that to happen like consistently, but sometimes I don't want that to happen. Like I wouldn't want to clear console this. I don't know, like we could have made it a menu property for sure, but I just don't see it being something that we can make dynamic without having a ton of like limitations. Because when I did that, or when I did something similar to that, where it would basically do that every time that we selected like an option in the menu or whatever, right? And it wouldn't work because this technically is like a separate action, if that makes sense, or it's like a separate like call, function call. So it would print this, but then it would clear console and go to the next menu. So I don't know. But maybe I just did that wrong. I don't know. Like maybe clearing console at the end of the menu would make sense. Possibly. I don't know. I don't know. This is just kind of what I thought of doing, so. So let's see. What is this again? Oh yeah, pick skill. Create target menu. So we can clear console again, I guess here. We would probably need to. And if all of this looks bad, we can change it later. No biggie smalls. Same with this. Yeah, same with this. Do clear console. Cancel. First party index, pop, print turn. Yeah, okay. We'll do clear console there. Just trying to remember everything that we need to do. Menu stack. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Select target menu, same shit. Get valid targets. Works. Okay. And it would be here that we would do it, isn't it? Yeah. So we need to do. See, this checks if it's the end. First party index, pop. Clear console at the very end of that. And then this one would do this. And this one would be this, I think. Yeah. I mean, it's pretty easy. Back. I think we would do clear console on that one too, right? I don't know. We're gonna see how this looks. It might look fucking terrible. I don't know. Genuinely, but it's okay. Cancel. Target menu options. Yes. Okay. Let's see how that looks. I don't know if it's gonna look good, but we will try it out. We'll try it out. Now this one isn't going to have clear console just yet because it's actually not even a menu yet. Okay. So if I do print party stats, nice. Nice. If I do fight, nice. Print battle info. Nice. Print battle info, nice. If we do fight, A's turn. If I do cancel, nice. Okay. I'm just going through the going through it, making sure everything is good. Good. Nice. Just go through it and make sure everything is good. Okay, the only thing that we need to change is because this is good. I don't know if you guys can see it because the text is so small. How can you change the terminal size or the terminal font size? But we want to make sure that we're actually printing the effects, right? So let's see, where is it that the effects happen? Process turn, and I think it prints it too, right? So what we might want to do here actually is I might want to put it up here instead, I think. would make more sense. Very nice, very nice. Okay. And then, yeah, I mean, I think that should fix it. I don't think that'll do anything. And then, yeah, we'll byte, tag 1, tag perfect. That's what we want. That's what we want. We might do like some new lines just so it's like kind of clear. But yeah, that works. Very cool. We're actually having like, bro, we're actually like getting to the point where we have a working motherfucking game, bro. Like straight up, and it looks decent. Obviously the text is still kind of like what it is, but fucking getting there, gang. We're getting there. Getting there, chat. We're getting there. And it works good too. Like we got a good menu system and everything, bro. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of us. Look at what we built. Look at what we did. What we've been doing. This is going to be a fully functioning game. A fully functioning game, guys. We're going to put this on Steam. I don't think you guys understand. We're going to put this on Steam. We're going to make a lot of fucking money. Alright, perfect. So that's kind of fixed now. The only thing that I might want to do now is make the create player party a menu. And we can just add it to that system. I think would make the most sense. So let's do that next. I'm going to go ahead and push. That might be the shortest fucking Git branch that I've ever done. Like genuinely. I don't think there's really much else to do. Let's see here. Snorlax. What did Snorlax do today? Snorlax added clear console to menus. And I think, okay, the only thing that I am a little worried about is at the end of it. What's up, Bytes Guide? Good to see you. What's good? Hope you're doing good tonight. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're not too cold. It's 60 degrees in Texas right now, so I'm not cold at all. I hope I didn't just peak my mic right there. I'm sorry, guys. What was I gonna do? I was gonna do something else, wasn't I? I was gonna test before we push it. I feel like it would make them. Why does my terminal do that shit, bro? Fucking PowerShell. Let's just go ahead and push it. I don't really care. Feature. We'll do, what is it called? Clear console, is that what it was? I think so. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go through an entire fight really quick. So that way we can see if it works at the very end of the fight as well. I'm gonna spam one. I'm gonna spam one. Did this a lot last night. This is how real programmers test their game right here. Is ooh, I need to do a poll. What should our poll be tonight, guys? What should our poll be? Let's do maybe we should like I don't know. I want to do a poll. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, what? Why is the HP for the enemies... What? Wait, huh? Wait. Did we... Wait, what? Did we... Oh, we already went through a fight. Okay, we already went through the entire fight. I was so confused. I was like, did the enemies just like reset their fucking health? What the hell? Alright, let's do a poll. Versus Arch. We could do that. We could do that. I was thinking something a little bit more like general. Like maybe not code, but best text editor. I don't know. I was gonna let's do like one that's like kind of like weather related. Best weather. Cold weather. Shit like that. I don't know. I don't know though, that's kind of weird. Favorite time of year, let's do that. Worst US state. Bro. Let's do that. I like that. Worst US state. What should the options be though? Because we need to have like options. We'll do Florida 1. I don't know. What are like the worst US states? I don't know. I'm just curious. Oh wow, look at that. We'll do California. I don't know. We could do Texas, New Jersey. Isn't that a city? US state was, I don't know. We could probably just do that. Wait. All right, 4 options. I don't want to give too many options, but 4 options. Boom. There we go. The most popular states. We're gonna see which of those people like the least. None of you guys better say fucking Texas. I swear to God. Come on now. Please don't say Texas. Florida's winning at 100%. Okay. What were we gonna do? Yeah, we were gonna add a menu, weren't we? See, because that did work, so that's good. So we're gonna... Did we push yet? Did we push? I think so, yeah, I did push. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and merge that. Fuck it. I mean, if it works, you know? I don't think there's any other clear consoles that we need. We're gonna move on to the next thing. So, Florida's at 50% right now. Okay, that's done. Nice. Check out main. Get pool origin. Main. Very cool. Nice. So now let's go to our little whiteboard here and just kind of like cross that one out as well. Before we go into colored text, I want to add one more thing. So I'm gonna do this really quick. We're gonna do create player party menu. I don't know, some shit like that. Yeah. So let's do this one now. Get that more of a circle. So let's do a different branch now. Check out B feature party menu. Yeah, party menu. Party creation menu. Can't do that. Cool. Nice. So we can probably put that at the very top instead. Oh yeah, we had a create party member name menu and a create party member class menu. Okay, so we already added that. That's good. Good morning. What's good? Good morning? What you mean? It's 7 p.m. where I'm at. Wait, isn't the high contrast mode new? What, in VS Code? I'm using VS Code. This isn't like the normal high contrast though. It's called it's a bearded theme, I think. Yeah, bearded theme OLED. That's what it is. That one's actually new, I think. Well, hello there. What's up, Foxy? Been waiting for you. Been waiting to see Foxy. Well, it's wondering where I'm at. Yeah, I got you, bro. I got you. It's actually kind of crazy. Damn, that stutter. It's actually kind of crazy to think about the fact that for people in like Asia, it's like the next day. Like it's the 18th. It's the 17th for me. Like, I don't know, like for some reason that's weird to think about. I don't know why. Okay, let's implement these guys. Take it to the mall and get you a new outfit. Go to some jobs, play a bunch of shit like whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. We'll do create party member name menu. Don't pass anything into that, obviously. Oh wait, no, we need to put this at the very right here. Put it there. And then same thing with manager. Manager. Wrote it like a soldier. She wrote it like a soldier. She wrote it like a. Love custom themes. Hell yeah, me too. Can you share details about your setup? My setup? I don't think you guys want to see my fucking setup. Unless you're talking about VS Code, then in that case, for sure. And I see this one getting closer and closer to the camera. Next time you gotta put it as the streamers said. I think you're right, Foxy. I think you're right. Snorlax honestly could just take over this fucking channel. Let's just have it like that. Let's just do that. Why the fuck not? Snorlax is the highlight of this entire channel. Snorlax is what makes Solbyte Solbyte. Yeah, but if you want to see my setup, I mean, I can show you guys my setup. You're not really going to be happy with it. I got a lot of water bottles laying around right now, like empty water bottles. I'm a big water drinker, even though I have a Red Bull. But that's why I'm a big water drinker, is because you gotta cancel it out. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Yeah. So let's think about how the menu actually works already. So right now it's like party member 1. Snorlabite. Snorlabite. I like Snorbite. Snorbite's nice. Should we call Snorlax Snorbite? Okay, so party member 1. Did this not do a welcome? Okay, it did. I was like, what? Okay, welcome. We can get kind of creative with this, honestly. It doesn't have to be like weird. Okay. We do this usually, and then we do choose a class for A, choose a class. So we're gonna have to, oh shit. Wait, are we gonna, I don't know. Norbite is good. Yeah, I like that too. Let's think about this for a second. So we'll do menu stack, in place, you know, same shit, obviously. Okay. But this is where it's going to change. So we need to in place another lambda function, but I think we need to have some kind of custom string for it. How's your project going? It's going really good. We've completed the menu system finally. This is what we're working on today. This is our little to-do list. And after this, honestly, it's a pretty complete game after this. I'm not gonna lie. We might be able to move on, or, you know, maybe start doing some graphics or, you know, some shit like that. I don't know. But yeah, we were able to complete the menu system finally. That literally, I did the math, or I didn't do the math, but I mean, I did. But I went back to my streams. It took me 12 streams to complete that fucking menu system. I need to do the math about how many hours that was, because that took so fucking long. It took so long to finally get that. But we finally got it done last night, which is good. We're doing console clearing. Yeah, we're clearing consoles now, but right now I'm implementing creating the player party creation as a menu in the new menu system, so that way we can invoke the same clear console commands and make it nice. So it's gonna look very swell. It's gonna look very swell at the end of it. 12 times over a day of your life. Yeah, just about. That's about it, really. Because I think, yeah, that's about the average. It's about the average of the amount of streams. I don't know. We had some streams though that were like 3-4 hours, like, you know. All right. So now if we can just implement this last menu, we are good to go. We are good to go. Okay, what was that one string that we did? I think it was it this one? Yeah, it was this one. It was like get name, No, but we don't want to do that though. We could just do, yeah, party member. Okay. So I think, can't think. Oh yeah, we did concatenation. That's what we did. Where did we do that though? Let me get rid of this. Where did we do that though? I just wanted a little reference point. I thought it was here, but I guess I'm wrong. Oh, I can't find it. This file is so fucking big. Like, oh, okay, it was this one. Yeah, it was like this. So yeah, we can do something like this, which is good. Cool. So yeah, we'll do that as a string in that case. It'll have to be like party member, do a space on that, and then we have to concatenate it with game data, the party index, I believe. Except we want to do not just that, party index, party index, and then concatenate with this, right? I think so. New line? Why can we not do this? Can we not do this? Confuzzled. Why is that? Is that not working? Oh, wait. Is it because this is a number? Yeah. I think it's because it's trying to concatenate it as a string. So what we might have to do is we might have to. Yeah. Okay. That I mean that's fine. I guess we can just. Hey man, how you doing? I'm doing good. Hope you're doing good as well. We're having a good night. You know, we got Snorlax here. Of course. The most important part. Or Snorbite, whatever we're calling it now. Yeah, so we can't concatenate it if it's that. Wait, we had this happen at one point, didn't we? I think so. But what did we do to solve it? I totally forgot. I mean, it shouldn't be that hard or, you know, that difficult. It's a little difficult. I mean, no, I don't think so. Because I think we just need to... He is so cute, by the way. Thank you. It was 20 bucks. 20 bucks for him. All right, so I hope so. Thank you. Okay. What the yo, like, what did I do? I forgot. Because we need it to be... Wait, no, but those were strings though. That was a lot easier. Maybe we can turn this into like a string or some shit. How do you do that? How do we do that? Is that a thing? Like you turn an int to, or a size t, because that's what it is, turn an int to string. Like how would we do that? Do we have to use a fucking toString? Or can we just, oh yeah, we can do that, okay. If we just include string, okay, so we can probably just do that in that case. Don't we have string included in this? I feel like we do. I don't remember. But yeah, what we'll do is, I think we can just do toString, right? I'm looking at an example right now. Yeah, okay. So we'll do like toString. Okay. I guess that works. Right, then we'll do the lambda function. Okay, so what does this lambda function need? Well, first and foremost, we need to define the vector. Yeah, no, I'm stupid. Hold on. I forgot. Let's go back here. Std vector of commands. And then we will initialize, and then yeah. So this is where we'll have it. So we'll do, yeah, okay. And if we need to like separate this, we can, but right now I'm just gonna have it all in one line because it's just, or all like right here because it's just easier that way. Well, the thing is, we're not really doing any functions. We're just doing a cin. So why, we don't really need to do this in that case. But we always have commands. Oh shit, how the fuck do we do this? Now that I think about it. How do we do this? Cause like, the class menu, I'm just not gonna take that call. So yeah, the what's it's called? Yeah, we just need to do like a cin, but I feel like that's kind of, dude, that like goes against like everything that we've been. I mean, surely it's not too too complicated. But the thing is, like, I don't know if I can add a menu. Right now I can't, sorry guys. cin. Yeah, how do we do that? I mean, I guess we could just, can we do like a function that would, honestly, we might just be able to do that, but then again, we'd have to select that. That would have to automatically be invoked, right? It wouldn't be like a selection of options. It would be like unique in its own way. Yeah, this menu is weird, bro. This I actually genuinely have no fucking idea how to do this. Oh shit. I don't know. Anyone got ideas? I'm lost. I have no idea. I feel like maybe we could just treat it like as not a menu, but what exactly is a text-based RPG? Well, you know what an RPG is? I'm assuming it's, you know, like Skyrim or whatever the fuck, Final Fantasy, that kind of stuff. Text-based just means, here, I can show you an example. Text-based just means like it can just be ran in the terminal. No graphics, you know, nothing like that. It's like, look, we have welcome. We get to create like a party, right? We can like choose a class. We'll make a party of 3 characters, right? Bada bing, bada boom. And then we got like a menu here that we can get like, you know, information about our party. We can fight, go through like a turn-based fight, right? That kind of stuff. You know, stuff like that. No graphics, just purely text-based, you know, old school. It's really more so of like a passion project in terms of like just, you know, getting used to, or, you know, learning about how these kind of systems work and stuff. It's been a lot of fun. It's been a lot of fun, but no graphics yet. We might implement graphics at some point, but for right now, it's just, we're just focused on the core logic of the game and all that kind of stuff. So text-based is basically what I mean is like, it's in the terminal. It's not, no graphics. Terminal-based RPG, that's cool. Can it run on terminal? Yes. Yes, it can indeed run on a terminal. The repository is accessible if you type ! Code. You can get the repo. So regular terminal or Linux terminal. Windows. Right now, well, I mean, the thing is, I don't have a CMake yet, like a CMake file, which I've been meaning to do, but right now it's only like, you're only able to like build it, I think, using like Windows or some shit. I don't know. I don't know what limitations I'm running into with that, but I'm gonna get that solved eventually. Let's see here. Yeah, so how do we want to do this? Maybe we can somehow auto-select? Maybe? I feel like that's just kind of like weird though. Yeah, like that's like without a follow, without a mention, you really piping up to these. It's for what to understand. Maybe what we can do. No, but we gotta select like an option, don't we? Damn, I have no fucking idea. I can't think. I mean, the create class is very simple. That one's insanely simple. Like, that just follows the same logic that we've been doing for the rest of the menus. We would do like class, choose class, or we would do data, player party, ooh, I wonder if we could do like a menu. Wait, hold on, I'm thinking about this. What if we did a menu that was like create party member 1, right? Like that's just the menu. Create player party 1. Create party member 1. Invoke some kind of function for both of the options. Like one option is like choose name or like name, and then one option is like class, and the next option is like next party member. I think that's good. I think that's actually good. Okay, wait, hold on. That's actually I'm low-key kind of cooking. I'm actually kind of cooking right now. So this implementation won't work anymore. It's really just gonna be one menu then, I guess, in that case, right? Well, no, we're still gonna need the create class menu because it's still gonna be like a list of options. But for the first option for name, we can just do a cn, like a cn function, get that, and then bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, okay. So really, it's just gonna be this. That's not really gonna matter or do anything because it's not really a menu. It's just a function that we would need to use for that. So let's do instead create party member creation menu. That's a nice long name. Love that, huh? Don't we love that, guys? Void menu manager, create party member creation menu. Okay. And then let's see. Yeah. Okay, this makes a lot more sense. So we're gonna do place, bada bing, bada boom. This create party member 1, create party member 1, party member, and then we'll do the same concatenation that we did last time. So it's gonna be like plus toString. And we'll do game data, party index. Yeah, okay. Then we'll do this, new line. Nice. Okay. And then we'll list out the options. So we'll do a vector. Oh, wait, let's go back. Do a vector. Or sorry. Of commands. This this name, I think makes sense. Yeah, name. Yeah, because I don't think we're not. Also, did I reset this? No, I did not. I just thought about that right now. Okay, so name this. Do a nice little lambda function here. Okay, so how do we do this? So I think we're just gonna probably invoke some kind of function that would allow us to okay. I mean, this one's might be. What we really should have done is we should have put a lot of this logic in like actual functions and then invoke them, but fuck that, we're unorganized here. We don't care about readability. Okay, so I think clear console first makes the most sense. Clear console, and then we'll need to do, what was the, let's go back here. Or no, game. Yeah, let's go game. String name. Yeah, so we need to do like a CN for the name. yeah, just see in the name, I guess, honestly. Can we see in? No, wait, but you know, before we do this though, let's do this the best way possible. What's the fucking get line, right? Get line's the one that we need to do, isn't it? Because, yeah. Yeah, we'll need to do get line because we need to be able to have spaces, I believe. So we can make like a temporary variable, I guess. I'd rather not do that, but that's what it is. String name. And then do like get line. I never fucking use get line. Cn name. Okay. Wait, do I need to do? Yeah, I do. Okay, stupid. Do need to do that. Okay, very cool, very cool. Yeah, and I think what we just need to do is we need to do game data. It's not how you spell game data. Player party at index party game data party index. Data party index dot set name. That's a function, right? We don't have a set name function? What the flip? Oh wait, I think it's because we don't construct it? I don't know. We're working on parties right now. I'm adding the create party menu to the menu manager. So this is our to-do list. Oh shit, that's not the one. This is our to-do list right here. This is what we're currently on. We are on this one. So then we'll do color text and then refactor the leveling system. So we're getting there. We're getting there. We don't have a set name function? Oh no, wait. How do we I think it's because we don't construct it. Yeah, we don't construct it. I remember that now. I do remember that now. Wait, one thing we need to make sure about in this menu is that someone ban that guy. Someone ban that guy, please. Yeah, so the way that we're currently doing it, I think, is we, in the game loop, sorry, not in the game loop, we're constructing, yeah, we're doing insert new warrior with name and level 1. I hope we leave that turn in 2025. I hope so too. I hope so too, honestly. Eventually it'll die out, right? Like, someone's gonna do something, and everyone's gonna be like, oh, it's cringe now. Someone's gonna do something, right? Like, please, someone do something. We might change the way that we're doing this. Third party insert member. I think what we might want to do is okay, no, this is kind of weird. This is gonna be a little weird. Because the way that we're having to do this, obviously, is we're yeah, I'm starting to think of a good threshold of many different problems that could pop up. Yeah, I see why we don't have set name now. That does make sense. Currently working on camera matrices right now. A lot of matrix. Jeez. You're better than me. I'm deciding how I want to implement setting the name. Well, wait. Maybe what we should do is Because this becomes kind of weird after we... Fuck. Trying to think. I'd rather it all be in one menu, but it's like... That might not be possible. Something that we could do instead is like... Honestly, maybe we just leave this shit separate. Like, on God. Do a poll, if you should time out whoever says 6-7 in chat. Doesn't count. Oh, it counts. It fucking counts, bro. I'm gonna make a bot. I'm gonna make a bot where, no matter what, it'll always time out 6-7, even if you just add up to it, subtract from it, whatever kind of complex thing. Florida's winning so far. People do not fuck with Florida. Who the fuck voted for Texas? Who the fuck voted for Texas, bro? I swear to God. Swear to God, bro. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, honestly, bro, fuck this shit. I think what I might do instead is, not do this. Because... No. I think I might be throwing in the towel right there. I think we might keep it here in the game loop. But the thing is that after every for loop, or after every loop, we're going to do a clear console function. Yeah. So, we'll just do that, I guess. The only thing is that we'd have to do a whole nother function for that. I mean, fuck it, who cares? At this point, I just want the game to be in a workable state so we can really just have some fun with it, you know? Don't really care about much else. Who voted for Texas, bro? Shut the fuck up. Okay. So now we can do clear console. So we do this, we see a name, and I guess we could do clear console after that, right? Or no, let's not do that. Well, maybe. It might make the most sense. We'll do clear console, and then clear console here as well when we get the choice. Invalid option. Do we want to clear console before that? Probably so, right? Do invalid option? Yeah, that makes sense actually. Okay. Echo, come on now. I'm gonna put Texas and accidentally misclicked. Input Florida. Put New York since it's expensive. Holy typo. How dare anyone put Texas, bro? Like, that shit is fucking... How dare you, bro? Texas is not a bad state. Okay. Okay, let me rephrase. Most parts of Texas are not a bad... Okay, let me rephrase. Some parts of Texas are actually pretty good. Alright? Some parts of Texas. The majority of Texas? Maybe not, but I don't know. Did you know... Who the fuck is a made-up word from... I don't know what that... Hagen-Dazs? What is that? Hagen-Dazs. What is that shit? Okay, let's run that. Misery that I'm back. Wait, what? Oh, we got an actual const? Oh, wait, what? What do you mean? Can I be overloaded with void clear console const? Why can't it? What are you talking about? Previous declaration const. Wait, are we still declaring it somewhere? Oh yeah, we are. I'm stupid. I'm actually dumb. Alright, sure. Ice cream, never Arizona because they have the iced tea. Exactly, IDK. I don't have the tea today. Oh shit, we got airs. Okay, it's fine. But look, we got a Red Bull today. I'm feeling, you know, energized. I haven't had a Red Bull in like 4 days. That's like a lot for me. That's a lot of days for me. Okay, clear console's still having fucking issues, and we're also having... Wait, what? Create... Christian... Class... What? What are we talking about? Okay, something's going on. Let's go to game loop again. Do we have a clear console function here somewhere that I just don't see? No, we do not. What's going on here? We have clear console and menu manager. Is it because we have clear console and menu manager? But I feel like we can still do that. That shouldn't even be an issue, I don't think. Wait, why is it... Oh, is it because I need to save that? Is that why? Okay, we're still having... Where's this one? Permission denied? I think that's just Cool, okay. So A1, E2, C3, D4. Nice. Nice. Clear console works. Let's go, boys. And you know what? We'll take that. We will take that. Get that. Oh, shit. That's the wrong shit. Get, it's like ice cream. I feel like, okay, I think I actually have heard of that now that I think about it. Let's see, what did Snorlax do? Snorlax, implemented, new party creation, get push, origin, feature, party creation, menu. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and check out main, and then I'm gonna go ahead and actually just merge that really quick. I don't really care. Don't really care. We're doing lots of pull requests tonight. Fuck it. Fuck it. They know, they know, they know. You guys having a good night though so far? How cold is it where you're at right now? I always ask this, but I always want to know. I've been down so long, they look like up to me. They look up to me. Alright. So... that's crossed out now. So I guess now we can go to color text. The exciting part. Jazz hands. Yeah, okay. I think we're ready to go to color text. Now this is going to be a bit of a learning curve because we have to remember how the fuck that worked in the first place. It shouldn't be too hard though, I don't think. Shouldn't be too hard. Let me do pull though really quick. Origin. Smile in my face. Okay. Do get checkout. Feature. Color text. Nice. Cool. I don't know why I did clear. Okay, so color text is gonna be so much fun, I think, to implement. Let's go to the terminal. Yeah, so we gotta use this. Let me try to remember how the fuck we're supposed to do this. Yeah, so we could do terminal foreground, red, and then terminal reset, which is what we're gonna have to do. Not cold, it's not cold where you're at. Yo, in Texas, it is currently 61 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know what that is in Celsius. What is that in Celsius? 15 degrees Celsius. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. When I see something in Celsius, I'm like, damn, that's cold. But to know that 15 degrees Celsius is 60 degrees is crazy. Okay, yeah, so we'll do terminal foreground. Oh wait, we have to do setup. We should call setup. Yes, we have to do setup in the game menu, I think. We'll do a test first before we do anything. Let me close some of these. Because we're gonna need a lot of this. So yeah, game menu, where is that? It is here, okay. Are we already including it? I think so, maybe not. Fake people showing fake love to me straight up to my face. Yeah, I think we could just include terminal. Excuse me, guys. Do I need to go all the way back out for that? Oh, I think so, yeah. I think I'd have to do... Right? I think so. So we'll do that. Go back here. Go down here. And do the setup. So go here. Terminal. Setup. Nice. So now we can... Oh shit. Now assuming... We should be able to now use terminal, like, with everything now, I think. The only thing is that we may not want to include it here. Well, I mean, maybe. Does that matter? I don't think it matters. It may not matter. Yeah, I don't think it, no, I don't think it matters. Let's go here, because we're also gonna need to include it here, I think, right? Yeah, okay. So let's do a little test. So in game, where do we do the welcome message? Where's that done at? Is it done at create player party? Oh wait, where do we do, where's like the welcome? Like where does that come from? Is that in main? Don't tell me that's in main. It's in main. That's fucking crazy. All right, well let's just test it for now. We'll do terminal foreground red. Wait, is that how it works? Foreground. Oh, okay. Terminal red. Gotcha. Gotcha. Terminal red. Okay. And then we can do at the very end of that. We might want to set up some functions to make this a little bit more easy. Oh wait, we don't need to do the foreground. We should do reset. That's what we need to do. Is that a function, or can we just do that? Yeah, reset. Okay. Nice. All right, let's just test that. Fuck it. It's like 09 in your basement, and I'm a lower neck. Oh shit. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Wait, what happened? What happened? Yo, it's some what? Anyone who likes mint ice cream is a psychopath? I like mint chocolate. I don't really, if I'm getting ice cream, I'm not getting fucking, I'm not getting mint. Okay. What is this? Like, genuinely, what is this? Yeah, so many errors. Like, what? It's definitely because of something in the terminal, but how and why? Do I need to set it up here as well? Is that why? Do I need to do terminal setup? Hold on. I don't know, let's just try that. Maybe that'll fix it? I don't know. Because we did it in the game loop, but we're doing it outside of the game loop. Okay, that's probably why. That's okay. I'm pretty sure I know why it's doing it now. Okay. Should be okay. I'm gonna get rid of this for right now, see if we can just do without it. Let's try that again. I'm not even gonna open up that same fucking terminal. I'm hoping that works. Nope, didn't work. No, damn it. Damn, okay, what the I don't understand. I'm very confused about that. I don't even know what these mean. Hold on. Maybe there's something here that's telling me how I should do this. We did this on stream one time and it worked just fine. Oh wait, using namespace. That might be what it is. We use namespace somewhere. Hold on. Where did we do that? Yeah, okay. We did it in character. Maybe that's where it's from. That might break some shit though, low-key. I mean, that's fine if it does. Yeah, because I think using namespace does break it. Okay, this might actually suck though, because we might have to go through the entire thing and damn. All because I made such a beginner kind of error. I think that's genuinely what this is. Because now if I go here, it's gonna have errors, yeah. Fuck. Alright, well. Let's have some fun. Shouldn't be too hard, it's just that, I don't know, it's gonna... Definitely not gonna be a lot of fun, I'll tell you that. So that's done. But now if we go here, I think it would do the same shit, wouldn't it? Yeah, it's gonna do the same stuff because it was included in all of the different files. Okay. I don't know if I can break stuff. I think, well, the thing is that in the documentation for that thing, it literally says, like, it can break the window.h file. So, maybe that's kind of why all of this is kind of freaking out. I don't know. But I do know, I mean, I've been meaning to do this anyways. I just kind of been putting it off. So, whatever. We'll just get it out of the way. Never have to worry about it again. It's because I used namespace in my first stream, because this project was never supposed to be as complex as it is now. So, obviously now we're paying for our sins. So, is what it is, man. Is what it is. That's life. That's life. That's what all the people say. Okay. But I think, okay. It's still fine. Yeah, we're gonna have some errors here though. Damn, bro, this shit sucks. This actually sucks. Ugh. I mean, I could just, well, the thing is that they're all kind of different in a way. Holy shit, I see a lot of indels. Let's just do... Damn, 12 indels. Well, what if it gets something wrong though? It might be okay. Just replace it all. If we get more errors, then we know what's going on. Oh shit, but that fucked up our, the ones that we already had, I think. Done. Yeah, it did. Whatever, who cares? Oh well. There we go. All right, that's done. I saw PopCap use, so I trust them. No namespace. Yeah. Namespace is bad. It's like the biggest sin that you can commit in C++. So, but hey, you gotta learn. You know what I mean? You gotta learn. You got to learn. Let's just do this one. I'm fully aware that there is a better way of doing that, but whatever. See, I did that for the C out, but I didn't do it for the end L. What the fuck? I'm so stupid, bro. I'm actually dumb. Okay, there we go. I think that's it. Okay, we did it for, I'm pretty sure we did it for, okay, no, we didn't. But I think that should be good. We'll do this, this. I think that might be it. Let me check. Oh, we're doing C out here too. Okay. Do we use that at all in formulas? I don't think so. Okay, I think we're good. Alright, what is this poll? The correct answer is Texas. Do not pick Texas. Do not pick Texas. I was just curious what people's least favorite, like, most popular state is, you know? Florida's winning by a pretty good margin. Well, no, actually, no, it's tied with New York. How is it tied with New York? For Democrats? What? Good to see you, Jodini, by the way. Good to see you. Okay, let's try this again. Maybe it won't break on us. Probably will, though. Okay. I'll take that. I'll fucking take that. Where is this? In party? Oh, yeah, okay. That's easy. Easy, easy, easy. We can fix that. Easy. Do we have... We probably have stuff in party, though, don't we? Yeah, we do. That's fine. Yeah, okay. Now let's try it. Now it's gonna work, right? Right. Just a warning. We don't have to worry about that. I'm gonna see too. Only one I've been to is New York Airport. Really? Interesting. Holy fuck. What happened? Okay, also, wait, what? Holy shit. What happened? What is all of this? Hold on, gang. Hold on. We're gonna clean this. I don't trust this. I don't trust this at all. We're gonna clean this. And I'm gonna do it the old school way. That way we know it's all actually cleaned. What's up to you and Snorlax? What's up, Nutshell? Good to see you. Thank you for saying hi to Snorlax. Thank you. They had one person doing all the work at the McDonald's and no one else. Yeah, that sounds like New York, honestly. That's some New York shit. That's some New York shit. Texas better not get voted for anymore, bro. I swear to God. For whoever has voted for Texas, you have not been to Texas. Maybe you have. Oh wait, I didn't do anything to skills. I totally forgot skills even existed. Skills might be totally wrong. Oh wait, no. It looks like we used the right. No, we didn't. Okay. Okay, so we need to go back through and make sure they're actually. It looks like we used it like correctly in some parts, but not in all the parts. They have a dedicated Hershey shop? What, in New York? That sounds sick. I used to love Hershey's until one time when I was like 5 years old. I threw up in my mom's car after I ate a Hershey's bar. Since then, I have not eaten a Hershey's bar. Since that day, I have not eaten a Hershey's bar. So that's what I think about Hershey's. Although I do like the cookies and cream one. That one's good. I like what kind of candy do you guys get at JFK Airport? Oh, at the JFK Airport they have a dedicated Hershey's shop. Yeah, what kind of like chocolate bar do you guys get? Do you guys even like chocolate? Me personally, I get Almond Joys. Probably like the most slept on candy bar. So, and don't make fun of me. I swear to God, I'll ban you. Skill party menu. Are we skipping anything? I feel like we're good. Let's try to make one more time. You should advertise for Mr. Beast chocolate and tell your story. Tell my story. Fuck no. Chunky Kit Kat? Okay, that's a good pick. Good pick. I fuck with Kit Kats. I like the crunch bars. You guys know what I'm talking about? Like the crunch bars? Holy shit, we're still having fucking errors. What is this? What are we talking about? Wait, do we need to include it in main as well? That's just stupid. Why would we have to do that? Why is it saying this, bro? Menu manager. Wait, why is it having errors in menu manager? We're not even trying to use it in menu manager. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Wait, what? This is an insane amount of fucking errors, bro. What do we use in menu manager? Wait, is it because we include it? Yeah, it might be because we include it. I'm not sure. Let's try it now. Let's see if that changes anything, like at all. No, same shit. Cool. It's in game. Do we need to set it up every? That might be it actually. Yeah, that actually might be it. I think it's because we have to have something that sets it up, I guess. So like terminal setup, some shit. Nope. Multiple definitions of terminal setup in main? Oh yeah, it's because it calls the game loop. So then why is that still an issue? Kinder Buenos. Those are good. Those are good. Visual Studio Switch incoming. Definitely incoming, Danny. Good to see you, by the way. Yeah, it's definitely coming. All right. Eventually, at some point. Pause, by the way. Let's try to see if maybe we can put this somewhere else. I just don't understand why we would need to... Bro, fuck you. We're just gonna do this. For right now, I just want to see if this actually works. We've been trying to do this for a minute now. It's like we have to put setup in every single file, which is so weird. Let's try that now. Nice, it worked. Cool. So now we should have a red welcome message. Let's go, gang. Let's go. Let's go. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. You seem like hearted today and like focused. I seem hearted or like lighthearted. Is that what you meant? I had a good day. I had a good ass day. Not like the other day. The other day was I like sad and depressed. I don't know. I had a good day. When you didn't know what Suspicion 33 was. Yeah, I might have been tired that day. I don't know. Some shit like that. But I don't know. I had a good day. I've been having a good last couple of days, so. Had a good day at work too, which was good. Lighthearted. No, you're good. You're good. I actually at work today I had to present something. I had to like present a project I've been working on for probably like a month now, and I got good feedback. So maybe that's why I'm in a good mood, and I got paid today. So let's go. Let's see what else. Christmas is 8 days away. It's pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I don't know. Am I better when I'm lighthearted, or am I better when I'm like chill? Some people call me annoying. So good to hear. Thank you, Foxy. Thank you. Some people say that I'm annoying when I'm like in a good mood, I guess. Which, I mean, fair enough, honestly. Fair enough. I'm also just excited that we're actually making a lot of progress on this project because, dude, we were working on the menu system for 12 streams. 12 fucking streams. That's like well over 24 hours worth of time just coding a menu system. For those streams, we were still, I think, just deciding the implementation of how we wanted to do it. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. But thanks to Snorlax, we eventually got to a point. Damn, Florida and New York are tied right now. You guys really don't like New York that much? That's crazy. It's crazy. People seem to like California though, which is good. And 18% on Texas, I'm not happy about that, but at least it's not winning, so that's good. Okay, so that works. Now we just need to figure out how we need to put it in everything else. Well, I mean, we don't really need to have. Did we wait, then how did it work? What? What the fuck? Wait, what? Wait, if we were able to run that just fine, how? Does it still run if we do this? Or no? Yeah, okay, it does. Okay. I don't know what that was about. Okay, this won't be in the main function, so we don't really need to worry about that, I don't think, but when you're chill, you're also talkable more, but you don't focus on the project, so I guess if you alternate, you're good to go. Are you winning, son? Yes, Psycho. Yes, I'm winning. Yes. I'm also drinking a Red Bull as well, so I could be a little bit more excited tonight, because I'm drinking a Red Bull at 8:44 p.m., so that's cool. Yeah, so this won't actually be here in the main function, so we really don't need to include this here. So we shouldn't see any errors like that, I don't believe. Get rid of this stuff. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to the game loop and actually start implementing this, because I just wanted to test that first before we did anything else, so. Okay, go to game loop, and what we need to do is we need to set it up first. So terminal setup, okay, and then yeah, we're gonna do something else crazy too. Texas ain't winning, dog. Well, I mean, it's what, in third place, so watch out. Red Bull will give you wings, pesky wings. Sue them if they don't, like that one guy did. Did someone actually sue Red Bull because they don't give you wings? Come on. Come on now. What have we come to? What have we come to? Alright, let's do something like this for right now. Terminal. Wait. Hold on, wait. No, let's just do this for right now. Fuck it. Foreground. And then we'll do terminal red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Welcome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Terminal. Okay. And yeah. I think in the menu manager, I'm going to do something different. Yeah, it got dismissed. Yeah, I mean, rightfully so. Come on now. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? You don't drink Red Bull because you actually think it gives you wings. Yeah, so I think in menu, we can add the functions That would make it easier. I don't know. I might sue McDonald's because they advertise needing 2 hands to eat their burger when you don't even need one. That's a good case. That's a good case. Yeah, that won't get dismissed. That definitely won't get dismissed. Yeah, that's a good strategy. I like that. Should we put the helper functions like in here, or I guess it would make more sense to put it in menu, yeah? Well, no. Probably not really. Well, I mean, we would need it for this, I guess, yeah? How much do we, good stream, bro. Hope everything is well. Thank you, BTK. Appreciate it. Thank you for stopping by. As always. Dude, it's fucking cold in here. When did it get so cold? It's like 60 degrees outside in Texas. Like, why is it so cold? It's my apartment complex, bro. But yeah, I think it might make more sense to put it in menu. And then, I don't know, honestly. I don't fucking know. We could just do the whole like terminal thing, but I don't know if I really want to do that. Well, actually, wait. No, wait, I'm stupid. What we could do is, yeah, I think putting it in menu would make the most sense. But we really don't need it to be, because we're not actually seat outing anything, right? Would it be better if it was 7 degrees higher? Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Someone ban that guy. Should we do like for these, because you can do a background too, can't you? You can do like background or some shit, I think. Let me check. I think you can. Foreground, both. Can you not do background? I feel like I thought you could. Foreground, background. Okay, yeah, background. So we could do like background red. Can we do, yeah, can we do background red? If we did like, I don't know, like I just want to make sure it looks good. Like no matter what theme you're in, you know what I'm saying? Real talk though, would you want to be warmer at the cost of it being 67 degrees? Honestly, I'll take being cold. I like it when it's cold outside. I like cold weather more. It's better. But the thing is though, I like when it's cold outside, but I get to come inside and it's warm. It's not the same if it's like cold inside, because then I'm just miserable. So it's not really all that fun. Damn, Florida and New York are still tied. That's crazy. Okay, what was I doing? Yeah, here, okay. We'll do include. This. Run menu, we're gonna do. See out the menu message? Do terminal setup. Sure, that works. Yeah, baths in winter are so much better than in summer. Absolutely. Absolutely. There's so much like dude, anything like the feeling of being warm when it's really cold outside is such a great fucking feeling. Like when I'm driving and I just got like the fucking heater on blast, like dude, it is the best fucking feeling. It's so much better than it being like hot outside. And so like I'm just like sweaty and I get like in my car and like, you know, I have the AC on blast and it does like, it's cool. Like it feels good, but still like, I don't know. I think I have a problem with sweating. Like I don't like sweating. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. Okay, I'm gonna see if this works. Terminal, or I think we have to do cout, don't we? Well, here, I'll just do this instead. We'll do this. terminal background. And then we'll do terminal red. Or, yeah, not red, but can we do like black, or can we do like... Oh wow, there's actually a lot of options. Let's do blue. Let's do that. There's a lot of fucking options, bro. Okay, I just kind of want to see that really quick to see if that actually works. Looks like we have an error though. Why does this not work? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, why does this not work? I'm confused. What's y'all's favorite season, by the way? Fall, winter, spring? No, Florida and New York are tied right now. Yeah, they've been tied for a minute. They're tied for a minute. What? Wait, why does this not work? I don't understand. Why did this just decide not to work now? You know what, fuck it, I don't really care. I'm gonna... Why this no work, AI? Spring easy. What's good, Ryan? What's good? Hope you're doing good. Spring? Spring and summer all the way? Really? You guys like spring? Bro, my allergies are fucked during the spring, bro. Spring sucks. I mean, the weather-wise, it's okay, yeah, but like, dude, my allergies are so messed up during spring. I just have bad allergies all year round, though. Winter because it's bright in summer and can't see. Yeah, for real. Summer, okay, but I don't know. In Texas, summer is brutal, dude. It is so fucking brutal. Like, it's insane. And if anyone lives in Arizona and says, oh, we have hotter weather over here, shut the fuck up. It's humid in Texas. So it's like even worse. You're just like sweating and it's hot and it's miserable and it's like 100 degrees outside, 100 degrees Fahrenheit. You're like boiling all day. It's the worst, bro. It's the actual fucking worst. Like I get weather under 10 degrees Celsius, so it doesn't count. Do a poll on it. Ooh, that's a good recommendation. Let's do that. Okay, it looks like we're just gonna say that New York and Florida tied on that last poll. Okay. Let's do it. I've heard winters freezing, summer boiling in Texas. Oh, yeah, in Texas, yeah. Well, I don't know, like, we really don't have that bad winters. I mean, like, in January, sure, but, like, not really. It's humid here, too? Yeah. Oh, yeah, but, like, people in Arizona love saying that they're, like, the hottest state, or, like, their state is, like, the hottest, so if anyone, like, complains about it being hot in their state, anyone from Arizona immediately is just like, oh, like, I live in Arizona, like, it's like dry heat. Dry heat is way better than, like, humid heat. Like it is in Texas or like the UK or, you know, whatever. Favorite season. We'll do spring. We'll do fall, winter, spring, summer. All right, guys. My favorite is winter. That's my favorite. I'm in the country north of USA. Don't want to just find my country. Oh, that's like so ambiguous. Wow. It's so ambiguous. I have no idea what country you're talking about, bro. What the fuck is this thing doing? Just answer my question. I don't know. Bruh. All for show. Shut the fuck up. You are not. Fall is nice. It's just that I think it's okay. I'm a little like biased because good evening once more. What's up, Dusk? Good to see you. Good to see you. Please say hi to Snorlax. The thing about Texas is that fall it's still kind of hot. Like it's still like 80 degrees, like the majority of October and even November too. It really doesn't get cold until like this time of year, like December. So my favorite is always usually winter, and I think it's because it's, you know, it's because I live in Texas. So no, because bots scrape web pages to find info about you. And oh, really? Snorlax is a winter Pokemon. I can tell. Hello, festive Snorlax. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I think Snorlax's favorite season is probably winter, if I had to guess, just based on his drip. You know what I mean? Wait, are we not including limits? We are including limits, aren't we? Yeah, we're including limits right now. Why is this? Okay, I don't understand. This has been working just fine. This has been working just fine. I promise you they already know because of Google. That's true. That's true. That is true. I think what I might do is, hold on guys. I'm gonna restart. See if it still has the error. Valid. Okay, let's see. Now it's not working. Wait. There we go. Okay, yeah, it's still got a red line. The extension GitHub Copilot Chat wants to sign in using GitHub. Cancel. Thank you. Looks like winter is winning so far. Let me pull up the. Yeah, 20% everything else, but winter has 40%. Damn. Hell yeah, that's good. Winter is the bomb diggity, bro. I thought that noise was my PC because I just turned it on. What noise? Is there like a weird noise on the stream? Is the sound okay? What happened? What the fuck is going on, bro? This has been working just fine. Expected an identifier. Do we need to put something in here? Does something need to be in here? Is that what's going on? Windows noise? Oh, okay. I got you. It made a Windows noise. Hey Soul, did you know Sony made an official Linux kit for the PS2 in, I believe, 1990 something? Really? Sony did that? Why? For what? What the hell? Only available in Japan last time I checked. That is interesting. Originally, anyway. Do people have access to it now? Like, is it like open source now? Or like, you know, like, did people get their hands on it? What is going on here? I'm so confuzzled, bro. Let me, we haven't had errors with this at all. Why is, max? Wait, is it because I have to do, because of this or some shit? No, that doesn't make sense. Why is max having a red line? I don't know, I need some explanations, bro. I think PS2 was 2000. Yeah, wasn't PS2 a little bit older than that? Or a little bit newer than that? There's videos of it, like actual videos of people installing and messing with it. Really? Japan. What's it called? Yeah, it was released in 2001, 2002. It says. Not 1990s. You see able to run Linux on the PS3. But this guy's patch, so they sued him. Damn, bro. Yeah, that's Sony. That's Sony at the end of the day. Pulled by Windows.h in the terminal. Micro collides with Max, remember? So Include to stop the macro and the red line will go away. So I have to do. Wait, don't I include that though? Yeah, we do. Yeah, we have Windows.h. So why is that still throwing errors? And then Anonymous got angry and hacked PSN and took down for 30 days in 2011. Of course they did, bro. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Or win a case regarding something general shenanigan. Yeah. Fuck Sony. But also fuck Microsoft. Two arguments. Add define before the include. Okay, maybe that'll fix it. Sorry, I'm dealing with errors I have no idea what to do with. Okay, maybe that fixes it. It does. Nice. Nice. Thank God for AI. Thank God for AI. I'd have no idea what to do about that. I have no idea what to do about that. Okay, what were we even doing? Right, I need to run it. Right? Did we already do the background? Wait, did I reset it? Yeah, I did. Okay, let's try to run it then. Oh shit. Okay, that doesn't fix it. Nice. Nice. Oh, nice. Cool. Nice. Oh yeah, dude, that's nice. That's awesome. Love that. Nice. Nice. I love this shit. I love this. This is so much fun. I didn't think it'd be this hard. So what is it saying? Do I need to include that now or something? Oh, it says it's redefined. Somebody dick around programming for Windows while I'm sitting here on my Linux. Arch, by the way, system. Shut the fuck up, Dusk. Shut up. Arch, by the way. Shut up. No one cares. You're redefining. Yeah. I'm redefining this. Yeah. How do I not do that? Well, it's because I'm redefining it here, right? I have define. I have this. I have this because it fixed my error. But I can't do that, I guess. Do I need to like put it somewhere else instead? i5 terminal. Yeah. But the thing is, if I don't do this, I have another error. Or like it's like a separate error. That's a lot of fucking errors. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. Multiple definition of terminal setup. Where do I need to put terminal setup? Where does that need to go? I don't understand, because if I... Don't you have header guards? Yeah. Well, I mean, this one does. Maybe it's because I have to put it up here? Is that why? Fucking strange circular. Wait, no, wait. Can I not... Can I not include this here? Well, okay, it still has errors though here, doesn't it? Yeah, it's got errors right here. I'm almost swings and roundabouts at this point. Bro. The thing is that I feel like these errors, I think I know what these errors are. It's because and run, see this last small amount. Fall and winter are tied and spring and summer are tied. Yeah, looks like no one fucks with spring or summer. I don't blame them. You should make a Texas Roadhouse simulator where you will learn OpenGL or make... You know what's crazy? No, like, dead ass. One of my ideas for a game was, like, a simulator, like, simulating being a server, because I used to be a server. I was a waiter for like 3 years. Like, I know how to make a game like that. I feel like, dude, I would be able to cook with that. That might actually be kind of a good game, low key. Unreal Engine, yeah. I don't even know how to solve this. This is a little past my skill level, I ain't gonna cap. Well, I remember how to solve this. It's because of some shit about setting up or some shit. Like, I can't do a setup here, I don't think. I think if I don't do the setup there, I think it fixes itself, doesn't it? No. No, it didn't do that. Wait, are we still calling that here or no? Use your brain. Make it Texas theme and sneak Snorlax in that game when you make it. Just Nintendo doesn't sue. Yeah. Make sure Nintendo doesn't sue. What are you talking about, dude? In old Reddit threads. You could use forward declarations to fix circular shit. Yeah. I might. Yeah. I've done that before. I don't know if I could do that here though. Brother was a barista for some time and made pixel art game and game maker about being a barista. That's pretty sick, dude. Honestly, that would be so sick if I did a game where you're like a server. Everything Pokemon exists outside of Nintendo's purview. They sniped the offender. I'm surprised Soul is still alive. For real, bro. I've avoided death from Nintendo many times. I used to play, what do you guys know about, PokeMMO? What do you guys know about that? What do you guys know about that? I used to play that, like, in quarantine. All the way back. In COVID. Are these, like, is this circular? Is that what this is? Do I genuinely need to... I don't know. You know, in games, the camera doesn't move. The world moves around the camera. Interesting. Anyways, good night. Good night, Dusk. Have a good night. Say good night to Snorlax. If you haven't already left, please. It's very important that you do that. I have no fucking idea what to do. I ain't gonna lie, guys. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, bruh. Yeah. Is it because I'm using multiple definitions of terminal setup? But where else do I use that besides here? Like, genuinely, like, where else do I do that? I mean, we're still having issues with this, though. This is still annoying me. I feel like it's... What was the original cause? This is all caused because we're now trying to use terminal. This one. I think the original cause was because, or what I noticed was, let's see, if I use terminal setup, right? If I use this, but then I end up wanting to use terminal like in a different I'm gonna include a better random system. Solbyte, how do I heal in the game? I'm gonna lose my Snorbite in battle if I don't heal him. How do you heal in the game? We don't have a heal skill yet. We're gonna implement it with our we're gonna implement it with this one. Whenever we get to that, we're gonna add a lot of different skills when we go into that, and obviously the leveling system. But yeah, we're gonna add a bunch of different skills and stuff. Anyways, gotta go. See y'all. Have a good night, IDK. Good to see you. Oh shit! I just fucking. I unplugged my laptop. I could have very well just unplugged my PC if I wasn't careful, like genuinely. Including Snorlax, of course. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Snorlax is essential. Oh, it's because it's wrapped around. Make it fast so I don't lose my Solbyte. I got you, bro. I'll try to hurry up for you. I'm getting the real game dev experience. I'm getting timeline. I'm getting really harsh deadlines. The real game dev experience. Okay, yeah. So like whenever I make it, we get all this shit. It's because of multiple definition of that. So where do I need to put the setup file? Maybe it says something. Make sure to call setup to the Windows terminal and we'll understand the... Do I only... Maybe calling it here, or calling setup here doesn't make any sense, possibly. Usually if I include... Like, yeah, like if I include terminal somewhere, like this, right? Then usually I have to do setup, don't I? Maybe if I just, wait, maybe I can just do setup here or some shit. Maybe, I don't know actually. I don't know, we'll see. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, what? Oh wait, we do set up here. Yeah, okay, I remember. We're still getting this weird error here. I have no idea what to do about this, like genuinely. But it's okay. Okay, that compiles. That compiles. That compiles. Oh my fucking god. Well, we can be your playtesters. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Danny, come on now. That was for last night. Actually, I did have to do that earlier in the stream, so yes, you missed it. Dude, these errors look fucking insane. Maybe I should actually read the errors and see like what they say. It just says multiple definitions of stuff. So I guess it would have to be a linking error, right? Because that means that it's... Maybe what we... Maybe instead what we need to do is... Instead of including that there, maybe we have to include it like... only like in one file, maybe? Or some shit? I don't fucking know. Are we including menu here? Or no? Looks like no. Well, it should automatically include that, right? I have no idea. Genuinely have no idea. Do we need to like refactor the entire like text system or some shit? Or like, you know, like displaying text or something? Make a text class? Bro, which OS do you use? I use Windows when I stream. But if I'm on my ThinkPad, I use Ubuntu. Because I'm basic. I don't understand, bro. Goon OS. Okay, psycho. Use Linux. Goon OS. It's not so good. It's oh, you know about it, huh? You know about it. I would like to get Linux on here, but I don't know how that would affect my streaming. I think you can still use OBS and all that stuff on here. But Linux, I don't know, like isn't Linux like not very good for like gaming though? I actually haven't really played many games recently except for old school RuneScape, but anyone play RuneScape, by the way? Does anyone play that dead game? Old school RuneScape, not RuneScape 3. Yeah, I'm getting a... Sorry, that was way too close to my mic. I'm getting a lot of redefinition errors. And features up to 23.4% according to your review. It's rising. It's rising. People are gonna find out, bro. People are finding out about Linux. Not just tech people, but people in general. Is it... What if I try to recompile it? Now that I removed the include from there. Nice, same shit, cool. Brother. I don't know, my brain's not really working, I'll be honest. Maybe if I just copy this and ask AI what this means. Because I don't even know what this means. Oh, what the fuck? We're having a lot of different errors going on too now. Yeah, let me ask what this means. Not to fix it, but let me just ask what does it mean. What does this mean? What's my plan to fix? I feel like that. Because I feel like I've run into this before, but I have no idea how to fix it. And that's where AI is great. It's great for debugging and getting answers. You're hitting linker multiple definitions errors. All this, so every it includes the header gets its own copy. When a linker tries to combine, it finds the same symbols multiple times and fails. Fix. Put the function definitions in a single and leave only declarations in that. Certainly, you can truly want them header only. Mark each definition end line so they just duplicates of this one. We could just probably mark them as end line, huh? Can we just do that? Yeah, that might be good. Just run that for the entire thing. Fuck it. I don't know if that's how that works, but I don't know, we'll see. We're trying to fix this. I don't understand how to fix stuff like this, but because I see why it's not doing it, but what? Can we not do inline for that one? Okay, let me just see if that does anything at all. God damn. Yo, gang, this is crazy. What's poppin'? What's up, Van? Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. Please say what's poppin' to Snorlax. I'll tell you what's poppin' though. We have a bunch of fucking errors that I don't know what to do about. Can we just do, this might be stupid. This might actually be the stupidest thing I've ever done. But can we just instead do the more modern version of this? Can we use Pragma once? Or, yeah, can we use that here? Does that work here or no? No. It did not work. Bro, this shit sucks. Relax and Solbyte. What's up, D-Tree? Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. This sucks. You guys joined at like the worst part of the stream. Worst part of the stream. I will show you guys the plan of attack that we're doing right now, though. Works with any header, I think. I thought so too. What's good, Snorlax? How was the burrito? Oh, dude, it fucking hit. It hit so much. And tonight, you know what I'm eating? You know what I'm eating tonight? Ramen. I'm eating fucking ramen tonight. Let's go, gang. Let's fucking go. Let's go. I got the Bulldog ramen. You guys know what I'm talking about? I'm getting that shit. Shit finna be insane. We're gonna eat that, and we're gonna have bottled water. That's gonna be my meal tonight. Let's fucking go. Hell yeah, we eating good tonight. Yeah, I feel like, well, that clearly didn't fix it. So let's just revert it back to what it was like. I guess it's because we can't rip stomach lining. What do you mean? What, because it's ramen? Ramen is very healthy for you. What are you talking about? Talk about when Bulldog is finished. That's funny. Bulldog ramen is actually crazy. Have you guys had Bulldog ramen? It is spicy as fuck. If you put the whole packet in there, dude, you're cooked. You're fucking cooked. Sometimes you can't even eat it. Like, dude, you gotta be like drunk to eat a full, like the full bowl of like Bulldog ramen with the whole spice packet in there. You gotta be like drunk. You gotta be just like, I don't know, bro. You gotta have some balls. Okay, dude, why is this happening? But we need to include it here, though. Well, I'm gonna go here. Comment this out right now. Comment this out. And we'll just do the setup here. I wonder if that would do anything. This whole terminal looks like shit. Abledoc wants to see what it is, and let me tell you, I didn't have a great time. It is good. It's really good. You can't put the whole spice packet in there, bro. You can't. You just can't. Be careful. Oh shit, it compiled. Yeah, okay, so it's definitely something with the includes. We have to do something about that. In noodle form. Bro wants to impersonate some girl with his coding skills. Did you mean impress? Using C++. Yeah, that's definitely what I'm doing, bro. I'm here for the hose. I'm here for the hose. Kidding. 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 I would never call a girl a hoe. Never. Unless she was. Yeah, okay, so it works. Yeah, so I guess, do we need to like be careful about how we're still getting this error, but it's able to compile just fine, which is interesting. I mean, it was good, actually. Actually, shut the fuck up, dude. Bulldog ramen is good. Yeah, you just gotta be careful, bro. You just gotta be careful. So crazy. Undefined behavior is naughty enough for me. I'm scared. I don't know what to do, bro. I mean, it's not that we have to put that there, but it's like, it would make the most sense. I don't know. Let's just test what we have right now, dude. Oh yeah, that's right. We did right now. A1, B2, C3, D4. Oh shit! Look at that. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, well it does something. Why does it do this? Is it also doing it to the new line as well? What does that say? Sudo remove virus. For sure, for sure. Yeah, I think it does it to the new line as well, doesn't it? Wait, but did we even do a new line? Holy fuck, I don't know, dude. I'm starving. Starving. This ramen's calling my name right now. I don't know, it's still bothering me though that we can't fucking... I don't know. Linker errors are decently easy to fix most of the time. But, see, why can't we use this here if we are technically including menu? Menu is included in game. So is there a reason as to... Well, I guess it's because it's not... Yeah, we would have to do like menu, I guess, or some shit like that. I don't know. Like we'd have to do some stupid shit. Which, like, I don't even want to do that. Maybe we do in the menu manager. Maybe we just do all that stuff in the menu manager instead. That might make sense. Yeah, that might make sense. I don't know. So let's get rid of this actually. And, well, the thing is though, what if we want to do... Summer's making a comeback, is it? I don't know, winter still got it beat, so I wouldn't count on it. Would not count on it. Okay. Yeah, so I think maybe if we just do it here instead, that might work. Yeah, that might. Maybe. I don't know, because like the see out function is kind of... I don't know. I can't decide, bro. Damn, bro. I gotta take off the hat every now and then, bro. I have no idea how to do this. I have no idea how to do this. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I'm working on my Discord server right now. I know some people have been asking about, or saying that I should make a Discord server. So I actually am working on one right now. Just wanted to let you guys know. You should get a broccoli haircut. No, I've had a broccoli haircut. I've had like the, like a fro kind of ish, but I'm a grown man now. I got a job. I got a tech job. And I stream coding on the internet. I'm a grown man now. I can't be doing all that. Hype. Hell yeah. Very hype. It's not going to be like an insanely cool server, but it'll be decent enough. It shall be decent enough. Okay, let me ask AI. I have no idea. Maybe that's how we need to do it. Leave only the declarations in terminal. And instead we do, yeah, we might want to do that. Maybe that might work. It might not work. I genuinely don't know. Let's just try it out. We'll do terminal dot plus. We'll do that. And we'll just do the declarations here instead. Be careful, last time I joined a coding server, someone posted a picture of a bathtub full of brains. What? What are you talking about? What the fuck? A bathtub? Like, are you being deadass? Okay. We'll do include. What am I listening to right now, bro? Don't think about it too much. It is what it is, unfortunately. Fortunately. Okay, so we have to do, what is it? Or wait, what is that? O-stream? And then do terminal? Is that what it is? Terminal reset? Is that right? This might not be right. I don't know. can't exactly tell how this wants me to do this. Is it not under terminal? What do we do? Oh, it's under this. Wait a minute. There we go. That's what it is. Okay. Still here outside. Yeah, that should work, I think. Cool. So we'll just do that for all of them and see if maybe that helps out. I'm not sure. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Who knows? Who knows? Can't be turning over everybody. Can't be fucking on the scene, but what did you ask for Christmas? Let's see, what did I ask for Christmas? I don't know. I need some better for Visual Studio to work. Yeah, that's exactly what I asked for. Yeah, hopefully it was just AI. Yeah, I'm hoping so on that bathtub full of brains. No, actually what I did ask for Christmas is, I don't know, enough money to pay rent. Enough money to pay rent. Enough money for rent and Taco Bell. If I have that, then I am golden. I'm a very happy camper. Shit. Do the same shit here. Oh wait, that's underline? Yeah, okay. Gotta get all these right, gotta make sure. Wait, why is this double tabbed? Double indented. By the way, how do you guys code? I'm just RAM, 16 gigabytes of RAM? Well, hey, I can gift you something very generous. Yeah, Snorlax, me and Snorlax copped this. We got 32 gigs. This is worth probably more than my house right now. Given the current economy. This makes me rich. This actually makes me rich. So, flexing on you right now. Flexing on you. So, be jealous. Be jealous. Be fucking jealous, dude. Yeah. But Snorlax is probably gonna eat it all, yeah. That's true. Floppy disk? Brother. That's probably worth more than my tuition, my college tuition right now. Floppy disk. Kind of a bad time for RAM to be as expensive as it is. Or should I just restall? Go, do the same thing for invert. Do you pay rent? I do. I do indeed pay rent. I pay more than I fucking should for this place, dude. This place, bro, this apartment sucks. It's student apartments. And bro, I pay more than I should for this fucking place, dude. This place is actually ass. But it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. You only get to be a broke college kid once in your life, so might as well. Did I copy the wrong fucking... Wait. Negative. Wait, did I copy the wrong... No, okay, I didn't. Okay. It's fine. Good progress, good progress. Brand new Beretta. Iris glowy detected? What are you talking about? Do you have a job? I had to sleep. Good luck. Thank you, Van. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. Do you have a job? I do have a job. Yes, I do. I have a part-time job at a tech company here in my college town. Oh shit, they are tied. Damn, who the fuck is voting for summer, bro? You guys are whack, bro. You guys are whack. Nah, you guys just aren't from Texas. That's what it is. You guys just don't live in Texas. I feel like if I lived like, I don't know, in like Maine or some shit, I probably would not like winter as much as I do. Or like Colorado, dude. Summer is so perfect in Colorado. Like it feels like, dude, it is so perfect in Colorado. Sharp comparison to fucking Texas, dude. Summer ain't ass, bro. Summer is ass. Okay, it is. Summer sucks. Everyone loves summer because, oh, you get out of school. Yay. I take summer classes, gang. I don't even get out of fucking school. Well, I mean, that's a choice. I'm literally paying money to take classes during summer, which is so much fun. Wait, did we not do background? Oh, we did. Wait. I think that's it, right? Is it just that? Oh shit, there's a lot more. What the fuck? Oh wait, no, wait. No, I'm stupid. Okay, I'm dumb. I'm just gonna do it, a little shit alone. There we go. Nice. Okay, maybe that'll work. Who knows, guys? Who knows? Summer's right. I shot the sun with a water pistol to make it cooler, so you're welcome. Thank you, Psycho. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I think you just ended climate control. Or global warming. I'm stupid. You just ended climate control? Bro, what am I... Fuck. Forget you guys heard that. Festive Snorlax before GTA 6. Let's go. Hell yeah. You fucking know it. You fucking know it. Come on now. Come on now. That thing was 20 bucks. That thing was 20 bucks. Thank you for noticing. 20 bucks right there. Festive Snorlax. Festive Solbyte. You know what I'm saying? We got the festivities going on, dude. It's Christmas only once a year. Come on now. Gotta have some fun. Did you hear about the station in Alaska that controls the weather? What? Park? Do they actually? Isn't Alaska like where you'd want to be if nuclear war breaks out or some shit? I feel like I heard that somewhere. I don't know how accurate it is. Bro, do you know Terry Davis? RIP. Yes, I do know of Terry Davis. All right, Holy See, I'm aware. Bro got that drip? Hell yeah, he got that drip. It's a conspiracy theory? Of course it is. Of course it's a fucking conspiracy theory. I bet Terry came up with it. New Zealand is safe. New Zealand is safe? No, I'd rather die, I'm being honest. If I'm being honest. No, nothing wrong with New Zealand. I don't know. Doesn't like New Zealand and Australia hate each other or some shit? Or am I wrong about that? Are they allies? I don't know, I forget. No, I've heard good things about New Zealand. I had to do like a project on it one time when I was in middle school. I don't remember anything about it. Okay, that's still not fixed. Let's see if we can run it now. Well, it'll let us run it because we are not including it somewhere, are we? Yeah, that's right. Oh wait, I don't think we're actually... We need to... In the make file, are we actually doing anything with that? Or no, we're not. Yeah, I think we need to... If I'm not mistaken... right? I think so. Like we'd have to do that, wouldn't we? We always claim each other's inventions and people. Oh. I've heard they're very similar, obviously, because they're right fucking next to each other. But just like how Canada and the United States are the same. I'm kidding. They're not the same. We don't drink maple syrup for breakfast. Does that even work? Multiple definition of invert, foreground, background, and both. Are you sure? Wait, but it didn't say reset though, did it? Oh, I hate when my fucking terminal does this shit. Wait, is it only saying it for the string ones? Because that might give us a little clue as far as what's going on. You don't hunt beavers either? What the hell? Yeah. Don't do that, that's for sure. Dude, I don't like how my terminal always does this shit. Why does my terminal do that? It makes it so hard to read the actual errors. Yes, we're having multiple definitions of setup. Oh, so we are just having multiple definitions of everything still. Can we change this to a .h file? Would that fix everything in the world? Or no? How about now? Nope. Still doesn't work. Okay, I don't understand that in that case. Where exactly is it? Oh wait, hold on, wait. We're not. Well, for one, let's try that. Wait, am I stupid? Like, am I dumb? Oh yeah, hold on, wait. Might be from this. We good now? Okay, that fixed that. Let's see. Come on, please. 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 No. Multiple definition of terminal setup. Nice. Love that. Love that. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Oh. This is so much fun. It just says setup though. Is it because we're defining it here as well? Do we not do that here? Like, does that fuck it up? Like, now is it good to go? Maybe? No. No, it's still there. But it's only saying that for setup though. Why is it only saying that for setup? I'm very confused. Are we defining it multiple times or some shit? Nope, that's commented out. So is that. Alright, I'm gonna go to sleep. Have a good evening. You too, Foxy, and thank you for saying it to Snorlax as well. Thank you, Foxy. I appreciate it. Appreciate your support as always. Have a good night, Foxy. Appreciate you. Everyone better say goodbye. Everyone better say goodbye. Foxy is amazing. Are we defining it somewhere else? Wait, hold on. Where are we even defining it? Void setup. We're defining it here, yeah? Wait, what? Void setup. Where do these brackets end at? Can we put this somewhere else instead? Can we put this in the, Maybe that's what's going on. Hold on. Do we have to do that there, maybe? good. Thank you guys. Yeah, okay, I think I see what's going on. We would have to do well, no, we don't even have to do that. We should do void setup or void terminal setup. Yeah, okay. Do that, and then we would essentially, I think, just copy this code, yeah? Now, this may not work, straight up, but maybe it does, right? Maybe it does. Oh yeah, this is handling like the windows and stuff. I remember that now. Like the, or not the like the OSs and all that. Okay, let's see that now. Let's see if it works now. Ugh. Errors. Ah, same shit, bro. Really? Do I need to? Can I clean this and maybe it'll do it now? No, same shit. I didn't think so. Winter is best season. Hell yeah, it is, Derpy. Winter is coming. It's still winning. Winter's still winning. Summer is very close behind it. You guys do not fuck with spring or fall, do you guys? Jeez. I feel like spring or fall, they're very like middle ground seasons. They're almost the same in certain parts of the United States or certain parts of the world. So it's kind of like some people don't even like really, you know, some people want like a certain extreme. Have you ever tried different languages or just C++? Yeah, I actually use JavaScript mostly at work, but I've also programmed with you know, Python, of course, C. Let's see, what else have I like really touched? I don't know, the SQL count. SQL count, MongoDB. Okay. Yeah, so we're still getting this. But why though? We're still getting this. Is it because we're doing setup here or no? It's obviously coming from menu. Oh shit, it worked. It fucking worked. It worked. Chat, it actually worked. Holy shit. Nice. Nice. Doesn't that look amazing, guys? How did I go from 11 likes to 9 likes? What the fuck happened? You guys don't fuck with me? Really? That's crazy. You guys hate me. Okay, nice. I fixed an error. Let's go. Well, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We will see, I guess, huh? Really? Psycho? Really? Psycho, you concern me. I can see why the glowies are on you. Nice. Okay. So does that mean that we can? This is still having an error. I just don't know what to do about that. It's just what it is. Let's go ahead and commit the changes really quick. Oh shit. Snorlax fixed. Linking errors. Git push. Origin feature. What is it again? What's my thing called? What are we doing right now? Color text? Text. Nice. Nice. I have nothing to do with the beach shooting glowies. The beach shooting? No one said you. That just makes you look more suspicious, brother. Okay. So now what if I want to include that somewhere else as well? Like if I want to include that, let's say for whatever reason in game, will we run into issues? That's the question. If I had to guess, probably. I do this, and then I do, let's just say like, I don't know, background, terminal white. I did some shit like that, just, will it compile? Probably not. Oh shit, I did not mean to do that. Okay, that's normal. Nice. Nice, we fixed it, let's go. Let's go. Rip chopper read? What does that mean? What is that? Whew, thank God. We fixed it, boys. We fixed it. This shit was stressing me out, bro. This shit was stressing me out. Hell yeah. Obviously we still need to add color text, but it's kind of getting late, and I've been streaming for almost 3 hours. So I'll probably have to actually dip out here in just a second. So now I'm hot. Australian convicted criminal gang member and author. Chopper Reed? That's who that is? An author? Gangsters can read? I'm kidding. Yeah, I feel like we're definitely gonna need damn bro, 43% vote. You might have a few girls in your chat. I might have a few girls in my chat. What does Winter say anything about that? I love Winter. I fuck with Winter heavy. Winter is the best. Winter is the best time of year. Come on, bro. You think only girls like winter? Brother. I like wearing the hoes are here after all. Yeah, right. Definitely not. Yeah, Snorlax. It's fucking Snorlax. You guys already know. Snorlax is calling him. That's Snorlax though, you know, that's just how he be. Because the girls shovel out the snow? No, we do. What the fuck? There ain't no man who likes winter. Okay. No, wait, but look. Except a few, I guess. Brother. So I'm just gonna steal all of them. For real. No, like, okay, but in like a place like Texas though, like, where it doesn't really snow all that much, I don't need to worry about, like, shoveling snow. I don't need to worry about that at all. So I'm just not even thinking about that when I think of, like, winter. So. But, you know, still. Oh yeah. Well, I guess we can close the poll since I'm about to end stream. I guess winter wins. Winter wins. So, next stream will be Friday. I guess I'm from Canada. Oh, okay. See, yeah, like, I was saying this earlier too. If I was from a place like Maine or some shit like that, dude, I'd probably hate winter. I'd probably hate it. But like in Texas, fucking love it. You know what I mean? Because it's like right now it is 61 degrees in Texas. It is 61 degrees where I'm at in Texas. Now, of course, it does get freezing in Texas at times too, but it doesn't get like negative degrees. You know what I'm saying? So like, Texas doesn't have like brutal winters. They do have brutal summers though. That's why I don't fuck with summer. So, but yeah, next stream will be snow's the best part. It is definitely the best part. I fucking love snow. But then again, that's me saying that being from Texas. So it's like, maybe if it snowed more often, I wouldn't like it. I don't know. So, but yeah, next stream, we are going to finish this, okay? We're going to finish this. Oh wow, that's awesome. Isn't that great handwriting, guys? I'm the next pirate software. All right, we're gonna finish this and then we're gonna begin this. We're gonna begin this next stream. I'll put like a, yeah. So definitely gonna be doing that. In Canada, you wake up and you have to spend 30 minutes to an hour to show up. Really? That's on a weekly basis, sometimes daily, depending on how rough it is. Damn, that's fucking crazy. That's insane, bro. That's insane. But honestly, I feel like I'd take that than waking up in the summer, and if I want to go outside and do any sort of activity, it being absolutely brutal and risking heat exhaustion, living in Texas. So I'd honestly probably take that over this. So genuinely. But I don't know. Maybe if I was from Canada or if I was from like Maine, maybe I wouldn't say that. Who knows, right? Who knows? Yeah, it looks like winter won a pretty good majority. 39%. I'll take that. So I'll take that. But I do have to end stream, you guys. I need to eat this ramen. Okay, I need to eat this ramen. Holy pirate software illustration. Hell yeah. Is that good? Is that good? Guys, I'm the next pirate software. I'm telling you. I'm the next pirate software. All right, my code is shit and I'm an asshole. I'm the next pirate software, you guys. All right. Yeah, anyways, thank you guys for the support tonight, of course. How many subs are we at? I think we just gained 1, didn't we? Which is fine, I don't really care. As long as I have my chatters in here, I'm a happy camper. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. We may not hit 700 by the end of the month, and honestly, that's fine. Who cares? I'm very lucky to have the chat that I have and the community that I have, so thank you guys, of course. Got a lot of really good stuff done today. A lot of debugging. Excuse me, a lot of debugging. Menu system is done. Very happy about that. So, everyone, please say goodbye to Snorlax. Oh shit! Everyone, please say goodbye to Snorlax. I'll fucking wait. I'll wait. My ramen can wait on me. Alright, good luck with the project. Have fun. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you for the support, brother. Thank you. Thank you. You guys need to say goodbye to Snorlax, though. I'm sorry. I will wait here until then. Wait, did I just move the... No, I didn't. Okay. I don't think I did. Wait, did I? Oh, shit, I did. Sorry. But yeah. I'm gonna eat the fuck out of this ramen. Good luck. Thank you, Danny. Thank you, Danny. I think you guys are forgetting someone. I think you guys are forgetting someone. Please don't forget about Snorlax. Damn, no one cares about Snorlax. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy. Well, I guess if no one cares about Snorlax, I'll see you guys later. Alright? You guys have a good night. Stay safe. Alright? I'm going to be streaming on Friday. So if you guys want to stop by, I will be doing that. Tomorrow I have a Christmas party I have to go to. So I won't be streaming tomorrow. But see you guys Friday if you guys come around. Bye bye, Snorlax. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, so I'll see you guys later. I'm going to do this one more time because I've done it so many times. Alright. Take care, guys.